Hi and welcome to this product presentation. Today I would like to introduce you to our new Klauke EK30 IDML dialless crimping tool. The EK30 IDML is the perfect tool for all those who want to crimp a wide range of cable lugs with little effort. The tool uses the proven dialless indent crimping method. This means that it is not necessary to change dies, enabling fast working in different applications. The EK30 IDML makes it possible to crimp the common cable lugs of the R, VSG, F and Q series for conductor classes 2, 5 and 6 in a crimping range of 6 to 120 square millimeters. The head of the tool is designed in a way that only cable lugs that fit into the tool can be crimped. This protects the user from possible misuse. Now let's take a look at the function of the tool. Regardless of the cross-section, this is a really simple, fast and above all, safe connection. On closer inspection of the crimp with a microscope, it quickly becomes clear that an extremely secure connection is created here, which ensures not only exceptional pull-out values, but also excellent conductivity. With this tool, you will not only benefit from its large crimping range, but also with the compact design and low weight. The weight of the tool with battery is below 2 kg. The tool is based on the 10.8 volt battery platform and perfectly complements the portfolio of our existing ML family. Thank you.